Hello my dear children, I am your teacher Pavitra from Bharadasna Metric Higher Secondary School, Arakonam. Today, I am going to take third unit of EVS for UKG kids. Okay children? Okay, do you all like rhyme children? Really? Let's sing a rhyme. Stand up everyone. Repeat after me, okay my dears? Listen. On my face I have one nose. Have one nose, have one nose. On my face I have one nose. I use it to smell. On my face I have one tongue. Have one tongue, have one tongue. On my face I have one tongue. I use it to taste. On my face I have two eyes. Have two eyes, have two eyes. On my face I have two eyes. I use them to see. On my face I have two ears, have two ears, have two ears. On my face I have two ears, I use them to hear. On my body I have skin, I have skin, I have skin. On my body I have skin, I use it to feel. Okay children, I hope you all enjoyed the rhyme. But now I am going to ask some questions. What are the words did I use in the rhyme children? Eyes, ears, nose and then skin, tongue. Super children. But what are they? They are parts of our body. Super children. But do we have only 5 parts? No, we have more than 5 parts. But why have I mentioned only 5 parts? Don't you know? It's okay dear, I will tell you. They have a special name. Because they called sense organs. What is it children? Sense organs. S-E-N-S-E. Sense. O-R-G-A-N-S. Organs. Sense organs. So today our topic is sense organs. Super children. What is meant by sense organ? The definition of sense organ is sense organs are the parts of our body through which we see, smell, hear, taste or feel something in the world. Okay children? See means what children? See na paakrathu. Okay va? Next smell. Smell means nugardal. Okay va? Next see here. Hear. Hear means கேட்டல். யாராவது பேசினா நம்ம கேட்குறோம் இல்லையா, அந்த கேட்டல். அடுத்து பாருங்க டேஸ்ட். டேஸ்டாக இருக்குது அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறோம் இல்லையா, அந்த சுவை டேஸ்ட். அடுத்து பாருங்க ஃபீல் சம்திங். ஃபீல் சம்திங் மீன்ஸ் நம்மளை யாராவது தொட்டால் நம்மளுக்கு தெரியணும் தானே, அதுதான் ஃபீல் பண்ணுறது. ஏதாவது ஒரு திங்கை ஃபீல் பண்ணுறது. ஓகேங்களா? ஸோ சென்ஸ் ஆர்கன்ஸ் ஆர் தி பார்ட்ஸ் ஆஃப் அவர் பாடி த்ரூ விச் வி see, smell, hear, taste or feel something. Okay dears? Now have a look at this. What is this dears? Yes, this is the picture of an apple. Superb. What is the color of this apple? Yes, it is red in color. சிவப்பு நிறத்துல இருக்கு. Okay. Now tell me, who am I? I am your teacher. Superb. Who is she? She is your friend. Superb children. How could you answer all my questions? You saw the things and answered me. Excellent. So, which organ helps us to see? எதனால நம்ம பார்க்கிறோம்? See here. Eyes. கண்கள். Eyes. See here. Eyes. So, eyes to see. E-Y-E-S. Eyes. T-O-2. S-E-E-C. Eyes to see. கண்ணால பார்க்கிறோம். சரியா கண்ணா? Next listen. I am going to do a magic. What is it? Magic. Do you all like magic? Yes, very good. Now I have an object in my right hand. Okay. See here, I have another object in my left hand. See, can we see 2 different things at a time? Is this possible? Just try it once. Okay. Next, now I am going to do a magic. What is it? Yes, magic. Do you all like magic, children? Yes, superb. Everyone close your eyes for that. Superb. Now, G boom ba. G boom ba. Yeah, now I have an object in my hand. You have to smell it one after the other and find the answer. Okay, children? Yes, superb. Smell it one after the other, my dears. Yes, superb. Now tell me, what is the object that I have in my hand? Yes, absolutely. It is a rose. Superb, children. How could you answer my question? Yes, you smelled and found the answer. Excellent. Now everyone open your eyes. Which organ helps us to smell? See here. Nose. Nose to smell. Nose to smell. N-O-S-E. Nose. T-O-2. S-M-E-L-L. Smell. Nose to smell. மூக்குனால நம்ம என்ன பண்றோம்? நுகர்ந்து அந்த பொருளை கண்டுபிடிக்கிறோம் இல்லையா? Next see here. Now I am going to do some activities. Okay? You have to follow me. Okay, children? What did I do now? Yes, I clapped. Superb. Whoa, whoa. What did I do now? Yes, I barked like a dog. Superb. How does a cow make sound? Yes, ma. Superb, children. Which organ helps us to hear these sounds? எந்த organ நமக்கு help பண்ணுதுடா கண்ணா sound எல்லாம் கேட்கிறதுக்கு? It is none other than our ears. Ears means காதுகள். Okay வா? Ears to hear. E-A-R-S. Ears. T-O-2. H-E-A-R. Hear. Ears to hear. Okay, children? Next one. See here. What picture is this? Yes, superb. It is a bitter gourd. B-I-T-T-E-R. Bitter. G-U-A-R-D. Gourd. Bitter gourd. Okay, how does it taste? Yes, it tastes bitter. Superb. See here. What is this? Chocolate. Superb, children. Do you all like chocolate? Yes, very good. But don't eat more chocolates. Okay, children? C-H-O-C-O-L-A-T-E. Chocolate. Okay. How does it taste? It tastes sweet. இனிப்பா இருக்கும். ஆமா தானே? Yes. Which organ helps us to feel taste? Yes, you are absolutely correct, children. It is our tongue. Tongue means நாக்கு. Okay. Tongue to taste. T-O-N-G-U-E. Tongue. T-O-2. T-A-S-T-E. Taste. Tongue to taste. Superb, children. Do you know an important or interesting fact about the tongue? Yes, it is our strongest muscle in our body. Okay, children. Also, there is no bone in our tongue. Okay, children. The last one. Everyone listen to me. Go and touch your forehead like me. Yes, superb. Pinch your hand. Yes, superb, children. Okay. Then the final one is skin. What is it? Skin. We have skin all through our body. It protects us from heat, cold and then germs. Superb, children. So, skin to feel. Also, it helps us to feel something. Okay. S-K-I-N. Skin. T-O-2. F-E-E-L. Feel. Skin to feel. Superb, children. Now, see here. Children, today we have learnt 5 sense organs. Am I right? Yes, very good. Shall we recall once? Yes. See here. Sense organs. S-E-N-S-E. Sense. O-R-G-A-N-S. Organs. Sense organs. What is the first sense organ, dears? See here. Eyes. E-Y-E-S. Eyes. What is the spelling of eyes? Jeshwan, tell me. E-Y-E-S. Eyes. Superb. Next, see here. Nose. N-O-S-E. Nose. Pugal. What is the spelling of nose, Pugal? N-O-S-E. Nose. You are correct. What is the next organ, Malarviri? Yes. It is none other than ears. What is the spelling of ears? E-A-R-S. Ears. Superb, children. The next one. Aradhana, see here. Spell the word. T-O-N-G-U-E. Tongue. Excellent, dear. Next one, which means the final one is skin. S-K-I-N. Skin. Superb, children. So, let's see. Eyes to see. Nose to smell. Ears to hear. Tongue to taste. Skin to feel. Superb. You all are brilliant kids. So, my dear children, today we have learned sense organs. Totally we have 5 sense organs. My dear parents, we have given YouTube link, question paper, question bank and then study material in the given description for the further clarification. My dear students, do the self-assessment properly. Okay, children? Thank you. Bye-bye. Meet you in the next class.
நளினி அமிர்தாவோட ஃபாதரு ப்ரீகேஜிலேருந்து 8th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் படிக்கிறாங்க. இப்போ அது 5:30 to 6:30 வந்து கிரவுண்ட் ரன்னிங் ப்ராக்டிஸ் பண்ணிவிட்டு பாடி எக்ஸசைஸ் பண்ணிவிட்டு அப்படியே ஸ்கூல் அட்டன் பண்ணிவிட்டு மத்தியானம் மேலே மதர் தெரேசா அகாடமிலையும் ப்ராக்டிஸ் பண்ணுறாங்க. மெட்ராஸில் எம்இஎம்லும் ப்ராக்டிஸ் பண்ணுறாங்க. நேஷனல் லெவலில் வந்து கோல்டு அடிச்சிருக்காங்க.